We also have Tamono Williams, Esquire, Mr. Lekwa Kenneth, Otonye TKD Amakri, Esquire, and Sir Amariha Edward Hart.
See to it that the project goes or moves forward if it is not on the board. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, I think I'll have to.
All right.
Next question. My question also is false.
We have 9 nominees forwarded to this August Assembly by the Governor. At the end of this screening exercise, the House has confirmed 5 of them, and 4 of them, the House has chosen to take a deep breath, given their poor performance and controversies surrounding either their documents, and they've not been able to show this August Assembly that they are indeed prepared to serve Rivers State, or that they are able, and we feel that they are not square pegs and square holes for this office that they intend to occupy at the Rivers State Executive Council. On that note, distinguished colleagues, I thank you for your contributions. With your leave and in line with our rules, I will forward the decision or the resolution of this August Assembly to the Governor so that I can take necessary steps.
Spent over 17 years as a specialist physician in internal medicine. I have also worked locally and internationally, working as a consultant with the World Health Organization, and also as a clinical leader.
My name is Charity Deb. I'm from Canada.
Temple Mofo and here for the Luther and the Great Government hearing. Presently, I am a professor of civil engineering and at the same time